Hey Wishtrenders! Welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your girl Eunice in the house today for y'all, and I'm super excited for this video because who in here, raise your hands if you have Googled how to make my hair grow faster. Well, I definitely have Googled that before. Well, if that's you, you've clicked on the right video because today I'm gonna share with you how you can grow your hair faster. Well, before we move on, I wanted to share that recently a video went up that we deal with dandruff. So if you're very interested in the health of your scalp and if you're suffering from dandruff, don't forget to check out that video right there. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so up first we're gonna do truth or false because they're always super fun. I hope that you get many correctly. Okay, the first question. You can't make your hair grow faster by eating food. Truth or false? False! Yes, the answer is you can actually help your hair to grow faster with food. It's very important to do head massages, to use products to make your hair grow faster, all the shebang too. But remember that eating your foods is very important also to make your hair grow faster. Tip number 1, increase your protein intake. As you guys know already, it's a very common knowledge, but eating more fish, whole grain, beans, and nuts can be very, very nutritious, not just for our body, but for our hair also. But there are other foods for the secret of faster and longer hair growth. The first one is yellow bell peppers. I mean, we don't really think much of yellow bell peppers, but did you know that it has 5.5 times more vitamin C than oranges? Now, this is a great news for your locks because vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to strengthen your hair shaft and also your hair follicles. The second food is sunflower seeds. I personally love sunflower seeds, but did you know that those few little sunflower seeds can actually help with abundant amount of vitamin E for you? It can actually promote the blood flow to your scalp, which will greatly help with the faster and stronger hair growth for your hair. The third food is sweet potatoes. I mean, you guys know how much I love sweet potatoes if you see my vlogs, but it is amazing, guys. I know a lot of you guys already love sweet potatoes, but did you know that this is a great food for our hair? Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which is a precursor for vitamin A that helps to promote a healthy scalp, and also it is excellent for the hair growth. And what precursor means is simply a substance that your body converts to vitamin A. Okay, so let's move on to the second myth. And the second myth is head and scalp massages do not help with hair growth. True or false? False. So, massages can help with hair growth. Massaging your scalp and massaging your head really helps with the hair growth for your hair because it will increase blood flows to your hair follicles. In fact, the massages will really help with the blood flow, not just for your scalp, but just overall, all over your body. And this is very important for hair growth, given the fact that there are so many nutrients that's in the blood that your hair follicles need for faster and stronger hair growth. Let me introduce you to a scalp massage that will really help with the blood flow for your scalp and also that will help with the faster and stronger growth for your hair. Step 1. After shampooing your hair and treatment, dry your head and scalp well. Step 2. After drying hair, make sure to comb thoroughly and gently to remove any tangles. Step 3, massage your scalp by spreading your fingers and then place your fingertips on the scalp. Oh, plus tip here, make sure that you don't use your fingernails to irritate your scalp, okay? Step 4, keeping fingertips on the scalp at all times, extend and contrast the fingers 2 to 3 times. Move fingers around the scalp, covering all areas. Using this massage tool will help to massage scalp mildly yet effectively without wasting much energy. Metal prongs have rounded plastic ends, and the metal legs are slightly flexible, so apply it to your head with a little pressure. The smooth tips glide over your scalp and stimulate it. It's like having many fingers in action at once. So the third myth: there are no shampoos out there that can help with hair growth. True or false? False! So, one of the main factors for faster hair growth is to have healthy and very clean scalp, so that no matter what you do, all the nutrients can soak in well into your scalp and hair. Simply, if you use products that can really help to keep that healthy and really great condition for your scalp and both your hair, it can help with your faster hair growth. And I will share some product recommendations later, so don't go anywhere and keep tuned in. Okay, so next myth. If you have a lot of lustful thoughts, then it can help with hair growth. True or false? False! So, this myth has been around for a very long time in Korea, but it is very false. However, there's a reason why this myth has been around for so long. Many experts say that androgen, estrogen, and prolactin, and many other hormones do have a very big impact on hair growth. That's why I believe that this myth has been around for so long. But the truth is that it does not help with hair growth. For our gentlemen, androgen is one of the most important hormones for hair growth. Androgen is one of the most important hormones that has an effect on men's hair. When our gentleman has lustful thoughts, it accumulates male hormone secretion. But this accumulated androgen only helps with hair growth for your armpits and for facial hair, especially the chin area, and nose hair, to make them grow faster. So sadly, it's not gonna help with the hair growth up here. And a very interesting fact is one of the main causes of hair loss is due to male hormones. Excessive secretion of male hormones can cause your hair to become thinner and to fall out. So remember, gentlemen, that lustful thoughts do not help to make your hair grow faster. Okay, DK? So for women, for our ladies out there, due to pregnancy, due to birth control pills or other reasons, due to the change of our hormones, our hair follicles can enlarge. So this can seem like our hair is growing faster. But at the end, ladies, lustful thoughts aren't gonna help to make our hair grow faster. Isn't that so sad? Darn it. Okay, so let's move on to the fifth myth, and it is frequent trims can help with hair growth. Truth or false? True! So finally, this myth is true. It's important to make your hair grow faster, but what's more important is that your hair grows fast, but also healthy at the same time. For healthy hair, regular trims are very necessary. Like it or not, if you do have split ends, most likely your hair is going to break. So for faster and healthier hair growth, a trim is a must. So here's a guideline for how often you should trim your hair with different hair textures. If you have fine hair, we recommend that you trim every 5 weeks. If you have wavy hair, we recommend that you trim every 6 weeks. Now, if you have curly hair, we recommend about 8 weeks. And a really good tip is that as soon as you know that your hair is tangling a lot these days, that will be the cue for you to get a trim. So here are the product recommendations now for faster and healthier hair growth that will actually help to deliver all the goodness and nutrients to your hair or scalp. The first one is NISIM New Fast Shampoo. It's formulated for normal to even oily hair. It maximizes a clean, environmental-rich environment for faster hair growth. It's very effective to remove sweat, oil, and also dirt. So I searched a lot for a shampoo that really helps with the hair growth, and this I actually Googled it and found it on Amazon, and I just thought that I should definitely try it because it had really good reviews, and I'm gonna use it for a little bit longer, and I will let you know in our community of how I liked it or if the product really worked for me or not. So the next product is Jungkook Jungle Botanics Forest Leaves Cooling Shampoo, and this is really one of my favorite shampoos out in the market. So this is a hypoallergenic shampoo that really soothes our scalp. And guys, shampoos are super important for faster hair growth, but also treatments are as important because your hair follicles needs to be really healthy also. So hair treatments are also one of the key steps that you may do for faster and healthier hair growth. So the third product I want to introduce you to is Jungle Botanics Forest Leaves Warming Treatment. Now this is how should I say, like partner with the shampoo that I introduced to you right before, and this also has a very warming effect so that it really helps to deliver all the nutrition to our hair follicles. Now this has percasse fruits and also Brazilian nut, rich antioxidant. It has two oils that I really like. It has the mixture of avocado oil and argan oil and other nutrient-rich oils in here. And along with the product recommendations, I do have some of my personal tips for you guys that you can follow. They're very simple, but they've been helping me so much. Now, the first one is to switch your pillow covers to silk. Our hair is on our pillow for 6 to 8 hours or even more daily. Don't you see that a lot of hair falls out when you wake up in the morning on your pillow cover? The least damage done to hair can help hair to grow faster. Just switching pillow covers to soft, silky ones can help to lessen hair tangles and irritation. The second tip, I know this is a tough one because I know that I do it too at times, but don't pull and put your hair up with a towel. Now, I know a lot of people love to use towels. However, it's better to use a t-shirt or microfiber cotton material. Thank you guys so much for watching until the very end. I really hope that it was useful and helpful for you guys. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to Wishtrend TV, and don't forget to click on that bell right there because you'll get the first notification every time we upload. Thank you guys so much for watching until the very end, and always remember to stay beautiful inside and out. Bye-bye!